Hey guys, hi, welcome back to my channel. This is Tulsi and आपको वीडियो का टाइटल देख के समझ गया होगा कि टुडेज़ वीडियो इज़ अबाउट अ बुलेट जर्नल स्प्रेड. सो आज का बुलेट जर्नल स्प्रेड वाज नॉट एट ऑल प्लान्ड एंड आई एक्चुअली डिसाइडेड टू गो फॉर अ मिनिमल स्प्रेड. You can check the I button above to check out my minimal spread because one, I did not have the time, and two, I did not even have any idea until I found inspiration from playing cards. So yes, वहाँ से मुझे idea आया, let's get the theme playing cards in bullet journal, and that is what I did. I created an entire spread of bullet journal with the theme playing cards, and yes, it turned out to be beautiful and I'm very excited to share with you all the process. So let's begin. सो सबसे पहले आई स्टार्टेड विद वाटर कलर पेंटिंग एंड उसके पहले आई हैड ड्रॉन ऑल द कार्ड्स विच आई वांटेड टू पेंट विद पेंसिल. And then doing a little bit of doodling with one of the card and similarly painting other cards. मैंने एक कोट लिख के रखा था ऑन अ पीस ऑफ पेपर एंड आई एम स्टिकिंग दोज पेपर्स ओवर हियर इन अ पैटर्न. सो येस, दैट्स अबाउट इट. सेम वे द मंथ आई हैव रिटन ऑन अ पेपर एंड वी आर डन विद द फर्स्ट पेज. While painting this page, I really forgot that the next page has bleeded and my bullet journal papers don't have that good quality to sustain watercolor. तो पूरा पेपर ख़राब हो गया था. So then later on what I did is I took a page from behind of the journal and painted it, drew on it and then stuck the page over it. So that is the way I covered up for my mistake. Another mistake I made was while making the lines of this calendar. I messed up and therefore I drew horizontal lines like a single line paper in it. The next step, मैंने ऐसे small cards बनाए हुए थे paper पे and I stuck those cards over the paper which really made it more pretty. Once the entire page was done, I stuck the page with the help of a glue and that's it. We're done with the page. The next page was for the weekly log, so I had to draw 7 boxes. So I made the boxes in card shape and I did this for 4 weeks, that is for 4 pages. The next one I did was the mood tracker and this is my favorite one because it turned out to be beautiful. So 30 days, 30 boxes of cards and a illustration on the side. So how did I use the mood tracker? I'll definitely share an image of it on Instagram after the month is over, so don't forget to follow me on Instagram. Basically जो थीम मुझे फॉलो करना था, I followed it with the help of the boxes that are the rectangles that look like cards, and second is drawing shapes of hearts, spades and all on the paper. So yes, look how beautiful the page has turned out to be. I did the same with other pages and here is the look of it. अभी जल्दी से हम लोग flip through कर लेते हैं पूरे setup का and I hope you like it. अगर आप वीडियो अब तक देख रहे हो तो आई एम श्योर यू हैव लाइक द वीडियो, सो डोंट फॉरगेट टू हिट द लाइक बटन. Also, if you've not yet subscribed to my channel, what are you waiting for? Go and subscribe to my channel. Also, don't forget to hit the bell icon below because I am coming up with a video every week for you all. So make sure you don't miss out on any video. Also comment down below what kind of videos will you like to see, whether you have any ideas or whether I should try new things which you want to see on this channel. Also, if you wish to watch more bullet journaling videos, you can go and click over here. If you wish to watch other art videos, you can go and click over here. And to subscribe to my channel, you go and click over here. Yeah, so bye, take care.